Welcome. In this video, we'll tackle common problems with Tesla Model 3 seats and seat belts, specifically focusing on seats not moving forward and issues with the seatbelt latch and pretensioner. These issues can range from mechanical wear to software glitches. We'll cover troubleshooting steps, potential DIY fixes, and when to seek professional help. The seat track mechanism in the Tesla Model 3 allows the seat to slide forward and backward smoothly. This is powered by electric motors that drive the seat along aluminum or carbon tracks. Electric motors provide the power for seat movement. These motors connect to the vehicle's battery through switches and communicate via the CAN bus system. Hall effect sensors detect the seat's position to ensure precise control. A common problem is the seat getting stuck in position. This often results from motor burnout due to overuse or voltage spikes, or from track misalignment that prevents smooth movement. To inspect the tracks, look for obstructions like debris or misalignment. Clean tight spaces carefully using appropriate tools to ensure the seat can move freely. Tesla's seat calibration feature, introduced in the V12.5.1 over-the-air update, allows you to reset the seat motors. Access it through the touchscreen to recalibrate and resolve stuck seat issues. The seatbelt latch and pretensioner system are crucial safety components in the Tesla Model 3. A stuck latch often indicates a failed solenoid or a blocked retractor spool, preventing proper engagement. The pretensioner, which rapidly tightens the belt during a collision, may malfunction by locking the belt or failing to release it. To diagnose issues, start by checking for error codes. Use Tesla's service app or connect an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's port. Common codes include those related to solenoid failures or pretensioner sensors. Monitor voltage and resistance readings during diagnosis. Normal voltage should be around 12.5 volts. Dropping to 11.8 volts or lower indicates electrical issues. Resistance readings help identify solenoid or pretensioner faults, with values around 2.3 ohms decreasing to 1.8 ohms in malfunctioning components. The solenoid controls the latch mechanism. When functioning, it allows the belt to engage properly. A failed solenoid prevents latching, as shown in this comparison. The pretensioner operates during a crash, using gas to tighten the belt. Malfunctions can cause the belt to lock or not release, compromising safety. When diagnosing, inspect the disassembled seat components, including the pretensioner cylinder and electrical connectors. Replacement is necessary if damage is evident or codes persist after resets. Always prioritize safety. If issues cannot be resolved through diagnosis and basic fixes, seek professional service to ensure proper function. Preventive maintenance is key to keeping your Tesla Model 3 seat system functioning smoothly. We'll demonstrate how to lubricate the seat tracks annually to ensure smooth movement and prevent jamming. For a stuck seatbelt latch, we'll show you how to carefully disassemble the seat base and clean the retractor mechanism. This cost-effective fix could save you hundreds of dollars compared to a dealership repair. Always disconnect the power before attempting any repairs to avoid electrical hazards. Consult your Tesla manual and consider professional help if you're unsure. Tesla Model 3 seats are controlled through the car's central computer system. The seats communicate via the CAN bus, a network that connects all electronic components. This integrated system allows for precise control, but can also be vulnerable to electrical faults. Software plays a crucial role in seat operation. Firmware bugs can cause the system to misinterpret sensor data from Hall effect sensors in the seat tracks. This leads to stuck positions or erratic movement. Tesla often releases over-the-air updates to fix these issues. The first step in troubleshooting electrical issues is to power cycle the system. Turn off the vehicle completely, wait 5 minutes to allow capacitors to discharge, then restart. This resets temporary glitches in the seat control modules. If power cycling doesn't work, recalibrate the sensors. Access the seat calibration tool through the touchscreen menu. The system will display voltage and resistance readings as it tests the motors and sensors. If issues persist after recalibration, the seat control module may need replacement. This module processes all seat commands and sensor inputs. Replacement requires professional installation to maintain safety systems integration. Always consult Tesla service manuals for specific procedures. Let's examine a real-world case study. A 2019 Model 3 owner encountered a stuck seat following a firmware update. Using Tesla's service app, they identified motor error code B1A00. The touchscreen calibration tool reset the seat motors and a pretensioner replacement was provided under warranty. This highlights the importance of post-update diagnostics. Another case involved a 2021 Model 3 where the seat failed during a highway merge. A NHTSA complaint led to discovery of a corroded track sensor. Tesla replaced the sensor kit and released a software patch to alert drivers of impending faults. This demonstrates how corrosion can affect electrical components. From these cases, key insights emerge for troubleshooting. Always check error codes using the Tesla app or OBD2 scanner. Utilize calibration tools for quick resets. Inspect components for corrosion and wear annually, and contact Tesla support for warranty-covered repairs. While many seat and seatbelt issues in the Tesla Model 3 can be resolved with at-home fixes like lubrication and basic troubleshooting, some problems are more complex and require professional attention at Tesla service centers. Specifically, avoid tampering with seatbelt pretensioners. These critical safety components contain pyrotechnic charges that automatically tighten the belts during a collision to protect occupants. Interfering with pretensioners can compromise your vehicle's safety systems, create hazards, and void your warranty. If you suspect pretensioner problems, always consult a professional technician. Tesla has expanded recalls to address seat and seatbelt issues. The December 2025 recall, identified as NHTSA Campaign ID 21V123, covers Model 3 vehicles manufactured between 2017 and 2021. This recall provides free replacements for faulty seat track motors and pretensioners at authorized Tesla service centers worldwide. To determine if your vehicle is eligible, check Tesla's official website or contact a service center with your vehicle identification number. As of January 2026, over 500,000 Model 3 vehicles have been serviced under this recall program, with a 92% completion rate achieved globally. Looking ahead, the future of seat and seatbelt fixes in Tesla Model 3 involves several key trends. Electrification of components is increasing, with more brushless motors in seats, reducing mechanical failures by up to 40%. Software-driven fixes through over-the-air updates are becoming standard, enabling remote diagnostics and automatic calibrations. There's also a strong focus on sustainability, using recycled materials like aluminum in seat tracks to align with carbon-neutral manufacturing goals. Tesla is aiming for 100% remote diagnostics by 2027, with AI-integrated sensors that can predict wear and auto-adjust seats. This trend mirrors broader EV industry shifts towards smarter, more integrated systems. Remember to always consult Tesla's official manual or a certified technician for hands-on fixes and safety. If issues persist, contact Tesla support directly. Thanks for watching.